In this video I'm going to show you how to set wallpaper on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your settings and scroll all the way down until you find wallpaper. Now hit choose a new wallpaper, there select dynamic styles or live file, select styles one, and now I'm able to select any wallpaper that I want. I will select that one. Now I see how it will looks like, and if I tap on set, I can select set this wallpaper on lock screen, set this to home screen, or set this to both lock and home screen. I'll select both, and now my wallpaper was changed to selected. That's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.